In a world where wireless technology has become the norm, however, wireless gears still need to be charged when batteries are low. Introducing JSD, the next generation of desktop wireless charging systems. It powers all your essential desktop devices like mouse, keyboard, smartphone, and headphones. Experience the freedom of a truly wireless workspace, where endless battery life meets unparalleled efficiency. No more interruptions, no more constraints. JSD allows you to focus on what truly matters: your work, creativity, and productivity. Our JSD charging desk mat features 2 charging zones designated to accommodate different devices. With our innovative high-frequency electromagnetic resonance charging zone, you can effortlessly charge your JSD keyboard and mouse while using them, even during intense mouse movements or with a keyboard stand. Never worry about running out of battery during important tasks. The QI charging zone provides convenient wireless charging for your smartphone, headphones, and other QI-enabled devices. With multi-strand winding and an extended charging zone, it allows you to place your phone freely and enjoy 18-watt fast charging without overheating concerns. But it doesn't end there. Our wireless keyboard and mouse take productivity and comfort to new heights. Our ergonomic JSD keyboard enhances your typing experience with its custom-developed 79-key prize layout and honeycomb-shaped keycaps. The JSD mouse with its sleek and lightweight design provides a comfortable grip and precise control. To ensure compatibility, we've also designed a JSD receiver, allowing the desk mat to empower certain mice with wireless charging capabilities. The magnetic, detachable oversized palm rest ensures optimal wrist support and comfort during those long work sessions. We also designed a soft vegan leather pad to enhance comfort and suit your desktop style. Crafted with premium materials and engineered for durability, the JSD system seamlessly integrates into your workspace, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to your setup. Upgrade to the JSD system and unlock a new level of convenience, efficiency, and style. JSD, embrace the future of wireless charging.